The Auto Lube system is one of ProAll's most popular mixer options. It is designed to deliver a small, consistent amount of grease to the top and bottom auger bearings. This option is proven to dramatically extend bearing life and reduce equipment downtime. The Auto Lube system consists of 4 major components: the grease pump, the relief valve, distribution block with cycle pin, and 4 grease distribution points. Filling the grease pump reservoir. Check the grease reservoir every morning to ensure the pump has grease. The wiper blade will leave a thin layer of grease on the inside wall of the reservoir. This can make it appear that the reservoir is full, so it helps to look down from the top to get an accurate level reading. If the pump requires grease, you can fill it through the Zerk fitting, or preferably through the pump outlet adapter using the grease cartridge gun supplied with your mixer. To fill the pump, load the cartridge gun with a general chassis and bearing lubricant best suited for your climate. Remove the plastic cover on the pump outlet adapter. Screw the grease cartridge gun into the pump outlet adapter. Push the plunger handle to deliver the tube of grease into the reservoir. Repeat this process until the grease level hits the max fill limit. Remove the grease cartridge gun and reinstall the outlet adapter cover. The Auto Lube system comes pre-programmed with our factory settings to operate every 4 minutes when the auger is turning. When the grease pump is operating, the wiper blade will rotate, giving you a visual indication that the pump is running. Keep an eye on the pressure relief valve. If you notice grease is relieving at this point, check the lines for any crimps, breaks, or blockages. Grease travels from the pump down to the distribution block, where it is evenly distributed to the 4 main grease points on the auger. To ensure the distribution block is functioning properly, you can manually operate the pump by navigating to Mixer Menu, Mixer Settings, and Manual Grease. With the pump running, inspect the cycle pin on the distribution block. If you see the cycle pin moving in and out, grease is pumping through the distribution block and the system is operating properly. Remember to regularly inspect connections, fittings, and bearings for leaks and excess grease. If you require further assistance or replacement parts, please contact ProAll at the numbers on the screen.